LivingairE Air Conditioning is a family-based air conditioning company covering the central belt of Scotland, providing the design, sales, installation, service and routine planned maintenance of both domestic and commercial air conditioning equipment installations. Along with the design and sales, LivingairE Air Conditioning provides a comprehensive planned maintenance service. Planned maintenance will keep your investment working properly and efficiently, as systems that are not serviced regularly not only consume excessive amounts of power, but do not produce the cooling or heating duty they were designed for. Contact us now.